Welcome to part 2 of Profile Views and Measurements from Point Clouds in ERDAS Imagine. In this video, we'll be discussing roaming along a polyline profile, create an external polyline profile, and measuring in the profile viewers. Let's get into it. Roam along a polyline profile. Now that we have defined our polyline, we can use the roaming tools to move along the line. This is a useful application in managing and monitoring potential encroachments along power transmission lines. Open the profile group and select overall profile parameters to change the LiDAR profile geometry. In the overall profile parameters dialog, set specific parameters to change the size of the box or make changes to other parts of the overall profile. Users can change the buffer distance, which specifies the amount of buffer space to the left and right of the polyline within the box. A lower value decreases the buffer distance, a higher value increases the buffer distance. Specifying the length of the selected polyline segment and the step distance, which specifies the length of each step. Click the Start button in the Profile Roam group to start roaming along the selected path in the forward direction. Notice that the Start button changes to the Pause button. Watch the small box that moves along the polyline in the 2D view. Click the Pause button to pause roaming. Click the Reverse button if you want to start or pause roaming along the selected path in the reverse direction. Drag the Roam thumbwheel to increase or decrease the roaming speed. Click the drop-down arrow for the Speed Up button and select the Speed Up option if you want to incrementally increase the roaming speed, or click the Speed Down button if you want to incrementally reduce the roaming speed. Click the Go to Start button to reset the current display location to the start of the selected path, or click the Go to End button to reset the current display location to the end of the selected path. Click the Step Forwards button to roam one step along the selected path in the forward direction, or click the Step Backwards button to roam one step along the selected path in the reverse direction. Note that each mouse click equals one step. Click the Stop Roaming button to stop roaming. Creating an external polyline profile. External polyline profile used to define a profile view along a specific path from an AOI or shapefile. The overall front and side view profile views open. The overall viewer displays an overall view of the profile along the selected path, while the front and side profile views display profile views of the area defined by the box. The profile path must be determined first from an AOI or shapefile displayed in the same view as the point cloud datasets. Open an AOI or shapefile of the same area. The AOI or shapefile will be used to define the profile path. We will load a roads shapefile dataset into the viewer. Shapefile the active layer. Define the profile length by selecting segments of a feature from the shapefile. The selected segments are highlighted. Multiple line segments can be selected if they form a continuous path. Make the point cloud the active layer. Open the Point Cloud tab and select the external polyline profile from the profile group. Use the roaming tools to move along that feature line. Measuring in the profile viewers. The Point Cloud measurement tool works in conjunction with the Point Cloud measurement table, which displays the measurements of points digitized in the LiDAR profile viewers. This information can be printed or saved to a text file. To measure in profile views, do the following. Click the Point Cloud tab. Create a rectangular or polyline profile as demonstrated earlier. In this demonstration, we will use the roads file for profiling. Click either the side view profile or the front view profile viewer to activate it. Click Profile Measure from the profile group. The Point Cloud measurement table opens. Note that the Point Cloud measurement table can be docked on and off in the ERDAS Imagine window. Click in the profile viewer to digitize each segment. Double-click to stop digitizing. Click anywhere outside the image in the 2D viewer to stop editing the polyline. We will measure the heights of the trees on the sides of the roads. Information about the polyline displays in the point cloud measurement tab. Click the Save Measurement button to open the Save As dialog and save the measurements to a text file. Click the Delete Measurements Graphics Delete button to delete the polyline in the 2D viewer. This action does not clear the information in the point cloud measurement table. If you want to delete that information, right-click a row number and select All and then select Delete Selection. Click the Show Panel button to hide the point cloud measurement table. That's it for this video. As demonstrated, ERDAS Imagine provides the user with tools for profiling and measuring from point clouds. These tools are handy in fields such as asset management and obstruction measurements. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with future content by the Geodata Design team.